My name is Dzidzom Esi Boni from Accra, Ghana. I'm really glad and excited to be selected to study in one of the very best institutions and from the very best industry professionals. I'm a first-class student from the University of Ghana, Legon. I worked with the Ghana Broadcasting Corporation Limited as well as MTN Ghana Limited. Working with these two institutions helped me build a strong customer ethics, customer relation, and customer empathy, which I believe is really key if one wants to become a great fashion entrepreneur. I was comfortable with these jobs. However, I felt I was depriving myself of the one thing that brought me joy and satisfaction, the one thing that I loved to do the most, and that was my passion for fashion. In a bid to become a fashion designer, I enrolled in a fashion school for a year. I studied fashion illustration and fashion design. After completion, I worked with a fashion house for 6 months. I'd like to show you a few of the dresses that I designed and made myself. Before I design a dress at all, I develop a concept web and I make sure that I work around that concept web. This is an umbrella concept and this is what I sketched. So this is what I'm actually going to sew. And then I also have another concept, which is the butterfly concept. So here we are. This is the butterfly, and then this is what I sketched with the butterfly in mind. I'm actually wearing a dress I designed and sewed myself. It's a chiffon blouse and an African print maxi skirt. This is another one of my designs made of polished cotton and African print. It's a pencil skirt and a flare top. This here is made of African print and lycra, and then this very final one I made for my sofa is made of chiffon and lace. Fashion in my home country is often looked down upon and thought to be for school dropouts, but thanks to globalization, this perception is gradually changing. Fashion in Ghana is gradually gaining much attention on the international front, and my exposure to international fashion through studying in Glasgow Caledonian University will help bring back the expertise into the local market, which will further help contribute to the evolution of fashion in Ghana. The cost of pursuing master's degree outside the shores of my home country and having access to funding has become one of my greatest challenges, since it has threatened my dream of becoming a great fashion designer, acquiring knowledge, and helping me to establish a well-structured and viable fashion industry to help the less privileged and the unemployed. I can gradually see my dreams unfolding before me. Granting me the scholarship will not only help boost my self-confidence, but it would also help lift a financial burden off my shoulder and help me in actualizing my dream of becoming a fashion designer. I'd like to establish a training center to help the less privileged as well as the unemployed, considering the fact that the unemployment rate in my country is very high. I would also like to help those who would want to tow the same career path as I'm doing. I'm most excited because I'll get to meet people from all industries, all geographies, and all walks of life, and getting to share ideas with them. Thank you very much for your time and your consideration.